Let's get you a quick sneak peek into the AME show. Tons of cool vendor booths, cutting edge machinery, high-end tooling, friendly people, and as you might suspect, lots and lots and lots of robots. My favorite products at the show were definitely the new Cobot by Lincoln Electric and the Sync plasma cutters by Hypertherm. But even more impressive was seeing the products in action by the talented metal artist Ray Ripple. She took pictures with fans, demonstrated her plasma cutting skills, and shared some insight regarding art and metalwork.
What I'm about to do is I'm going to lay down this entire thing with like my base lace pattern. So that way everybody can kind of see me do it freehand. But it's cool because in art there's no mistakes. So you can be a shitty welder and hide it in artwork.
She even took extra time to inspire the next generation of plasma cutters. All in all, a pretty great show, and we were happy to be a part of it.
So you like teaching kids how to weld and how to cut?
I do. It's my passion. The kids are my meat and potatoes, man. Literally everything I do is for them because eventually I can't do this anymore, and so I gotta have little minions that'll do it for me.